morning everyone, my name is Manjunath Reddy and this is Goutham. We are here to give you a basic introduction of our project, which is the design and development of electromagnetic propulsion system. The essence of the system works on the principle of Lorentz force. Lorentz force is the force which is experienced by a body when it is placed in an electric field and a magnetic field which are perpendicular to each other. This force can be understood with the help of Fleming's left-hand rule. Fleming's left-hand rule states that when an electric field and magnetic field which are indicated by the index finger and middle finger, a force is generated which is in the direction of the thumb. So all these three forces are perpendicular to each other. We can use this force to help launch satellites to space. Let's understand the basic circuit diagram of a launcher. The launcher consists of copper conducting rails which are powered with the help of a capacitor bank. These copper conducting rails have high voltage and high current passing through them. This copper conducting rails, as the current passes through these rails, a magnetic field is established for both of them. Now an electric field passes through both of these as they are charged with the opposite polarity. So now here we have, according to Fleming's left-hand rule, here we have the electric field and magnetic field which are already perpendicular to each other. So now if we place an armature which shorts these two conducting coils, a force is generated which is in the direction of the exit of the barrel. So now we have come up with 5 possible solutions to help overcome any shortcomings of the system. The first one is rail augmentation. Rail augmentation is placing the rails which are conducting rails which are parallel to these rails. This will help us generate mutual inductance. With the help of this mutual inductance, the amount of voltage and current which we will require in the main rails will reduce, thus making the system more efficient. Now to overcome any ablation and erosion of rails, here we have come up with the light gas gun which will help us give a pre-injection velocity. Now applying organic chemical compounds which will reduce the friction between the armature and the rails, as well as not reduce conductivity to ensure proper efficiency. So now I shall hand over the stage to Goutham.
So hello everyone, my name is Goutham. I will be speaking about advantages of EM propulsion system. So this is one of the major applications of this project, and this is improved launch frequency for more complex mission. As we know, conventionally we compress hydrogen and oxygen gas to propel the rockets to launch for space. So in this we use the system called EM propulsion system. In that we can increase the launch frequency. If I take an example of building a space station, NASA took 30 years to build a space station, international space station. So for unmanned mission this project is used. So to carry more components to the space, this project will be very useful. Next. So as we know, recently Starship crashed due to the leak of propellant. So when we, in conventional fuel, when we compress oxygen and hydrogen, we should be having a very safety equipment, and we should have a highly good materials. So if we have any leakage in the containers, it will cause to accidents and damage. That's why recently the Starship got crashed. So this is one of the good advantages, which is zero pollution, as India is targeting zero pollution and good sustainable green India on 2070. So and even India is planning for building a great space station at 2030. So this is one of the good system to launch every equipment they needed for the space. These are major advantages. Thank you.